Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete bitmoji on Snapchat. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click on search right here. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just type right here Snapchat and double check if your Snapchat app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen, and I'm going to just go ahead to my browser. And if you want to remove bitmoji on on your Snapchat, open Snapchat and then tap on the bitmoji avatar at the top left corner, and then open the settings menu by selecting the gear icon. Scroll down and tap on bitmoji, and then tap remove my bitmoji, and you're gonna be able to do it. So instructions are very clear, right? You're gonna go ahead to the settings, you're gonna scroll a little bit down till you find that bitmoji, click on the bitmoji, and you're gonna be able right here to see if you want to change the bitmoji, and you're gonna be able to delete it from within the Snapchat app, and you're gonna be able to change it or just leave it out. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and we will definitely see you in the next one.